Mrs. Rock here. Today we are going to draw a cute little mama opossum and her little babies. So let's get started. You can use a pencil or a crayon or a marker, whatever you have on hand. I'm going to use a black marker. I'm going to start off with just an oval in the middle of my page. This is going to be the body of my mama opossum, and my opossum is going to have a cute little face over here, and so I'm going to make just a little curved line out to the side and curve it back in for the face for my opossum. And my little face is going to have an eye, of course, just a little dot for an eye and a little dot for the nose, and I'm gonna give my mama a nice little smile. And my opossum's gonna have some little whiskers sticking out from her nose. And I'm gonna give my opossum a little ear that's just a little curved C shape right there by her head. I'm going to give her some furry texture on her body by just adding some dashed lines here and there to show that coarse, stubbly fur that the opossums have all over their body. There we go. And I'm going to add 4 legs. And the legs are going to be kind of in the shape of an L. So they'll just come out and down like that. So down from the body and out for the long foot. And there's going to be one back here, down and out for that long foot, down and out. And then I'm going to make some little feet back here too, to show the legs that are in the back. And my opossum is going to have a long tail. So from the back side, I'm going to come out and make a big swooping line that goes all the way up like that in kind of this C shape. And the little baby opossums are going to be hanging from the tail. So I'm going to make the bodies for my little baby opossums just like ovals, kind of vertical ovals that are hanging down from the tail, kind of all in a row here, hanging down, maybe one down here too. And just like I made the shape of the head here, I'm gonna make the little baby opossums' heads kind of coming down in like a V shape. So I'm making little V's that come down. Here's one last one here. And the tails are gonna come up and hook around the mama's tail. So kind of that candy cane shape, like an upside down J. They're coming up and hooking around the mama's tail. Just like that. And I can even put a little dot at the end of each nose to show the little nose for each of my baby opossums. Great, so there's the outline of my mama opossum and her cute little baby opossums. So now you can add a background, you can add color. Opossums are nocturnal animals, so I think that I'm going to make my background kind of look like nighttime. Whenever I've seen an opossum in my backyard, it's always been at night. They come out and they sniff around for food, maybe scraps of barbecue left over from a cookout, and they kind of nose around in the backyard at night. So I'm gonna draw a night scene here. But you can add color and detail and background however you want. goodness, our little mama opossum is so cute with her little babies going out at night. Well, I hope you had fun drawing your opossum too, and I'll see you